if you are bent on revenging for whatsoever they have done to you, then that means that you are still bitter. You are still bitter, and you must understand that there is no healing in bitterness. You cannot be bitter and at the same time want to pursue healing. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. My name is Dami and I am your relationship coach, here to give you another relationship and dating advice today. And if you're watching my video for the very first time, hello, I am so glad that you're watching my video right now, and I would like you to subscribe to my channel. I would like you to give this video a thumbs up. I would like you to share it to your friends and with your family so that they can benefit from it. And of course, I would like to know what you think about this video in the comments. So do want to leave a comment for me and let me know what you think about this video. So today I'll be talking to you about how to deal with heartbreak. And I know that some of you have been served breakfast at some point in time in your life, and I know that some of you have served other people. Whatever your category is, don't worry, my heart goes all out to you, especially you who has been through a heartbreak. So if you have ever been through heartbreak, there is how to deal with it. There is how to deal with the situation. I don't know what your own story is, whether you have been betrayed by somebody, whether you have been cheated on, whether you felt like somebody wasted your time. Whatsoever your story is, I want you to know that there is how to deal with heartbreak. You don't have to keep going on with life saying I'm fine when you were not fine. Everybody knows you're not fine. I mean, if not everybody, at least I know that you're not fine. So there is how to deal with heartbreak. And listen, you have to get to that point in your life where you are willing to get rid of every thought, every painful memory, every past experiences in your life that is toxic to you and to your breakthrough. Listen, you have to be willing to get to this point no matter what has happened in your past, whether you have been betrayed, whether somebody cheated on you, whether they wasted your time, whatsoever your own story is. You have to be willing to get to this point, because you see, if you are unwilling to get to this point, you will never be able to find true healing. And this is very important for you. This is very important for your health, for your sanity, for your happiness, and for your joy. It is very important that you heal. So you must be willing to release the pain that you feel, release the hurt that you feel, and all the negative emotions that comes with all these things. So you might have been angered or even bitter against the person that hurt you, but you see, for you to find true healing, you must be willing to let all these emotions go. You have to be willing to forgive yourself and the person that hurt you. You have to be willing to forgive yourself for the wrong choice or the bad choice that you made, and you have to be willing to forgive the person that hurt you. You have to be willing to forgive your ex, for whatever they did to you. You can't say that you want to take revenge. No. You cannot say that you want to take revenge. No. If you are bent on revenging for whatsoever they have done to you, then that means that you are still bitter. You are still bitter, and you must understand that there is no healing in bitterness. You cannot be bitter and at the same time want to pursue healing. It's not possible. You will not be able to attain full and true healing if you are still bitter. So you have to be willing to let go of the memory, the painful memory, that have plagued you. You have to be willing to release the other person from whatsoever they have done to you, and you must also be willing to release them from the consequences that they are supposed to face for whatsoever they did to you. All right? And if you have to delete, unlike, unfollow, or even block them so that you can grow, then so be it. All right, so be it. I always tell people that there's not a sin to block people. If it will help you heal and help you grow, then why not? It's okay to block people. It's okay. It is okay to unfollow them, and it is okay to unlike them if it will help you grow. Because you see, following them up on their social media pages is too much information for you. Don't go there. Don't go looking them up on their social media space. No, that is too much information, and it is toxic to your health. All right, it is toxic to your well-being. That is too much information for you to deal with. All right, so don't even go there. You have to understand that whatsoever your ex is doing, whoever they are doing it with, and wherever they are, is none of your business. Okay, maybe you should write it down somewhere. It is absolutely none of your business. So stop worrying about that. Stop following them up on their social media pages. That is too much information for you to handle. So for yourself, for your health, for your well-being, please unfollow them, block them. If it will help you heal, and if it will help you grow, you have to give yourself space from them. All right, and please stay away from people, places, and situations that will remind you of what you're trying to forget. All right, and by forgetting, I don't mean that you're going to experience a memory loss. No, you are going to remember. But what I mean by forgetting is that you remember without the pain. All right, so stay away from people, places, and situations that will remind you of what you're trying to forget, in quotes. All right, so stay away from them, please, for your health, for your peace, for your sanity, and for your joy. Stay away from things, people, places, people. I keep emphasizing on people because I don't even want to go there. Just stay away from people, places, and situations that will remind you of what you're trying to forget. Alright? And you see, people always say, "Dammy, it is easier said than done." Yep, you're right. It is easier said than done. But you see, you still have to get it done. Alright? You still have to get it done, or spend the rest of your life being angry, being bitter, and being resentful. And you already know that that is not even a good place for you to be. So you have to do it anyways. Because you see, if you don't accept the reality of your pain and accept the fact that you really have to go through this, then you are going to damage every good person that comes in contact with you. But you see, do they really deserve to be treated this way? No, they don't. No, they don't. So please accept the reality of your pain and go through your healing process. Release the pain. Release the pain. Don't suppress it. Release the hurt, release the anger, the resentment, and every negative emotions that you have inside of you, so that you can find through healing. Because you see, if you don't go through this the proper way, you are going to miss even the good person when the good person finally approach you. All right, so for your own wellness, for your happiness, for your sanity, please deal with your heartbreak the right way. All right, I hope that this video helps you. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, with your family, and of course, let me know what you think about this video. Bye.